backup gain nge-Orangela Beauty School. Bafethu bengikhohle kunitshela ukuthi Orangela Beauty School inathuma location of which it's Midrand ne Pretoria. Okay, i-address yase Pretoria is 293 Madiba Street, Navy House in Pretoria, of course. Alright guys, njengoba niyibona i-video lana, it's student work. Alright, tindzaba letimnanzi lengifuna kunikhomba tona, ngifuna kuniplaga ngato ukuthi now ma former student savulile ma business. Nithini ngaloko, nithini nganitshela ngathi thathani lendo uyabona, they are boss upping, they have their business. Angeke uze wena uhlule ngo-6.5 lo mbhadala kancane until uzucetha ugraduate. Ayisho ukuthi angifuni ukusebenza, ayikho bafethu, ayikho. So Pretoria people, I'm here to plug you nge-Orangela Beauty School lena former courses. If you register before 1st of April, uyothola i-free installation course mahala ha. Ungive kahle. If you are around Pretoria nje uduzane ne-Pretoria, register today utothola ini i-free course ye-installation. Okay, for 6.5 uthola 4 courses. Oh, English ungangilumi. For 6.5 uthola 4 courses. Bayokubansela if uto register early before 1st of April. Free installation course. Shemtindo banika nje nivele nihle nje, banika emlonyeni nithola i-silver plate mahala ha. Unayi prize njengoba ngikhuluma. Ngayiphane ngani ma students njengoba nibona nje ma students lawo. Alright, i-registration is only 1,000 rand. Uma ufika uthola ini i-kit mahala, i-golf t-shirt mahala. Uke wakubonaphi lokho? Now ma students ayafunza nayi le makeup kit lengikhuluma ngayo. Hayi lokunye ngani guys, niyathi senikhula niphile tikhathini letimnanzi. Okay guys, uma ngabe kuthi uduzane nePretoria utoya ePretoria, nginikile ma address. Then uma ngabe kuthi wena uduzane neMidrand, i-address ngakhona yase Midrand ikhona. So guys, ndobona ngani ngidonshare nenumber ye WhatsApp niba WhatsAppele. Guys, only WhatsApp the number if you want to ask question. Ungabe se uyashare please guys. So guys, i-Orangela Beauty School i-registered after training na graduate and ma certificate. Love you guys. Bye.